and love, dude and dudettes. This is your girl, Miss Mo, and welcome back to my channel. Um, I like talking like this. It just seems fun. And it seems like, as the kids would say, a vibe. And so I'm vibing out right now. And so, yeah. But this is going to be a quick vid. Because today's my birthday. Yeah. I'm not going to tell you, but today's my birthday, and yeah. But no, for seriously, today is my birthday, and I did want to make this video um, to just a quick message to just be present in every stage of life that you are currently in, and to enjoy the simple things, instead of trying to chase these grandiose type of experiences. And I have the pleasure of sharing a birthday with not only my best friend, but with also my niece. And looking and kind of being in the middle of them, because my best friend is 2 years older than me. My niece is 15 years younger than me. And I'm like somewhat in the middle, obviously closer to my best friend's age, but just like looking at, like feeling like I remember the feeling that I had when I was my niece's age. And when you look at the world and you are like so, like, you know, I just want to be out there. I don't want to be at home. I just want to be out there. I want to experience things. I want to live and all these things. And then looking at my best friends, like looking at the life that my best friend is living in, where they are at, and it's just like, I don't necessarily want to be out there, but I want to be set. I want to make sure that I'm good and my family is good. I'm not just living for experiences, even though that's great and I will enjoy them when they come to me, or when I go to them. But my whole life is not so focused about just experiencing things. And yeah, and I just feel like I'm kind of like, not necessarily in that middle space, but I'm just like, I realize that experiences don't mean that much to me anymore. And it's a very freeing realization. And when I say experience, I'm talking about things that you do in order for people to, in order to like brag about. Like those type of experiences in which you want people to say like, oh dang, you did that, or like, you like, I don't search for that anymore. And I feel like, I mean, obviously because I'm closer to my best friend's age, I feel like where they are at in their life, that's like where I'm at. And like, if the only experience that I'm really like gunning for, like really like want to have, is an experience that's going to allow my family to be safe, and allow me to not only allow my family to be safe, but allow me to rest. Like, I'm not just out there just to have fun. Like, I am so happy. I wasn't a club person anyway, but I am so happy that I am not thinking like that anymore. Like, oh yeah, let's go out, let's get drinks, let's just why? Get a bottle, go home. Like, let's chill at home. Like, why we gotta be around all those people, like. And I'm just grateful. I'm just grateful that I'm not yearning for superficial things anymore. Like, today I spent my birthday very reflective, and I enjoyed it a lot. I enjoyed not having to try to search for a crazy, woo, like try to be happy type of thing. Like, and it's like a superficial happiness because it's not things that would make me happy on its own. I'm probably happy um with engaging in these things because I'm with people that I care about. And so um but yeah, I just really spent my day very reflective. Very reflective. In full transparency, I stayed up till midnight, um, expecting my birthday calls because that is what I'm used to. I got some, but not a lot, but it's cool. I still got some, and so, but I stayed up till midnight, and I was crying. I was crying, and I think it was kind of like just sitting in my reality type of cry. So like thinking about like some thinking about my own type of struggles, but also thinking about my thinking about my struggles, but also thinking about how I have risen up to the occasion, and how like just surprised at myself. Just like, and I talked about this in another video that I think I posted, but just surprised at my growth. And I have a issue. I not me. I mean, I'm going through this personally, but I'm realizing it so much now of like being present, and like, and how I am not present, and how it just impacts so many things in my life. Um and so crying, at midnight on my birthday, it was again tears of like understanding my internal struggles and how I'm still a work in progress, but also just really practicing a lot of grace, and a lot of I cannot think of the word, but just like a round of applause for myself too. Because like every type of pushback that I receive, I take that hit and I use it to propel me forward. And it was just like gratitude. And I'm so glad that I cried, because crying it's healing. Tears are healing. And so like it released a lot of maybe anxiety, or maybe like it was a release for me. And I welcomed the opportunity to enter into my birthday feeling refreshed, like letting go like of that, like releasing whatever was inside of me, and just letting go. And yeah, I cried, and I was like, man, I'm crying on my balcony. It's not a big balcony, but it's mine. And I'm just so happy, extremely grateful, especially from where I started off at. I'm telling you, you don't you don't know what you're made of until your back is against the wall. Like, I talk about this in other videos, but moving to a city that nobody knows you, like barely anybody knows you. The only people that knew me were this one girl that I met on a study abroad trip. And even then, we wasn't like super cool on that trip. Like, we were cordial, but we wasn't like, hey girl, yeah, blah, blah, blah. No, it wasn't none of that. And maybe some people that my sister knew um, while she was in school. but like nobody knew me. Like, so going to a place, no family, no friends, and just like no money, bruh, and just trying to build up and continue to build. The grace of God, truly the grace of God. And so I'm so like sitting out there in the middle of the night crying. I'm like, dang, I've came a long way, and I'm still going. But I'm going to be present in this moment. I'm going to be present in where I am and what I have accomplished so far. And yeah, I started my birthday off like that. And I, took a shower, did my nails. It's 3 different colors. And I usually like to put like skulls and sunflowers on my nails because I really like skulls and I really like sunflowers. But I just put sunflowers this time. But yeah, I did my nails, feeling a little cute, doing a little click clack, click clack, click click clack clack clack, click clack, click clack clack clack. Yeah, and I woke up and I prayed. Um, I woke up, I prayed, and this prayer was different. It was just, it was just gratitude, nothing but gratitude all around. And because you got to remember to just be present. Nothing in this world is finite. Everything will leave. And so taking advantage of the fact that you have something today, um, yeah, you should take advantage of the fact that you have something today. Like, because every moment is true. It truly is precious. And so, but yeah, and I just engage in like things that make me happy, that make me smile. Being at home, not around a lot of people, not trying to chase an experience that other people may be envious of, that makes me smile. And like, so today I had a meeting, um, which was very reflective, very helpful for me, and just put a lot of things in perspective and like really provided me with some words that I needed to hear. I got to speak to my family, like just simple things, talking to my family, being with my partner, having a simple breakfast, nothing too extravagant, just something to feed the body and the mind. Like, because now that I'm older, I look at food differently. When I went to the grocery store yesterday, I said, I can get some chips, some candy, cake, and all this stuff, and just like living it up, living la vida loca. But then I was like, girl, how you gonna be feeling tomorrow? How you gonna feel tomorrow? Do you want to feel like shit on your birthday? If you don't, put that junk food back. Stop living in that moment. Put it back. And I did, and I'm so grateful that I did, because when I woke up, I didn't feel like shit. When I ate my breakfast, it wasn't like, oh, a whole bunch of processed stuff. It was simple, just fruit. I'm like, yes. Heal my body, I need my food to heal my body. And then I went for a walk. My partner and I went for a walk. And DC is a lot of hustle and bustle, but there are some quiet parts, some very serene parts in the DC metropolitan area. And sometimes it can be hard to find, or even sometimes it can even be hard to like want to go to these places because you are so not present, because you are so like, I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to make moves, I need to make money, I need to, you just constantly moving. And yeah, but we did that, and we ate some food, like, and we just chill, like, just chill. Like, I just feel like We take for granted the simple things in life of just eating some good food, not chasing an experience for others to be envious of, um, being around family, talking to friends, just talking to loved ones, and just showing your appreciation to them. Like, I just feel like it's just extremely important to sit in gratitude and to just be present. And so that's what I mean, this video was definitely like a rant, but I just wanted to share that message, is just to just be present. You know, it doesn't have to be to do it on your birthday. You know, do it every day. Just be present. Be there. Enjoy it. Um, Even if you are feeling frustrated, be present in that frustration and go through it, you know, and come out of it. Like, yeah. So, yeah, that's about it. Oh, and I wore my cute little outfit today. This is off of my storefront. It says no liabilities. And I have some like cute fatigue pants that has the logo as well. I'll probably insert a picture so y'all can see the whole thing. But like, yeah, and that's just like, I mean, I try to keep that message anyway. Like when I say no liabilities, like no problematic people, no messiness, nobody that's going to mess up anything for me and for my family or whatever. Like no liabilities in my circle. If you messy, if you gossip, if you only, if you don't, if you're selfish, I'm good. I'm already fine with being left out. Like I'm good. No liabilities, please. I don't need no trouble. I don't need no mess. You know, I like to be organized, but if a place is already clean, I prefer that than coming into a place that's already messy, you know. So yeah, no liabilities allowed. No liabilities. Yeah. So that's my message for this video. Be present and keep away the liabilities. Well, all right. Thank you, dude and dudettes. And I'll see you all next time.